Plant FAQs, Philodendron Callosum. Philodendron Callosum, frequently asked questions. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Philodendron Callosum, a unique and textural aroid that's quickly becoming a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. This guide will answer all your burning questions about Philodendron Callosum, from care tips to its quirky personality. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to make this stunning philodendron thrive in your home. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. Philodendron Callosum, aptly named for its textured, almost calloused leaves, hails from the rainforests of northern South America. This epiphytic climber, meaning it naturally grows on other plants in the wild, boasts a captivating appearance. Its heart-shaped, velvety leaves have a distinct puckered texture and prominent veins, adding a touch of drama to any indoor space. As it matures, Philodendron Callosum can develop aerial roots, which help it anchor itself in its natural environment. These aerial roots can also add visual interest when grown on a moss pole or allowed to cascade down from a hanging pot. Philodendron Callosum versus Philodendron Plowmanii. What's the difference? Philodendron Callosum is often mistaken for its close cousin, Philodendron Plowmanii. Both share a similar heart-shaped leaf form and textured surface. However, there are some key distinctions to keep an eye out for. Leaf texture. Philodendron Callosum has a rougher, more pronounced texture with deeper veins compared to Philodendron Plowmanii's smoother, slightly glossier leaves. Leaf size. Philodendron Callosum tends to have slightly smaller leaves than Philodendron Plowmanii. Growth habit. Philodendron Callosum generally exhibits a bushier growth habit, while Philodendron Plowmanii has a more climbing tendency. Ultimately, both philodendrons are stunning additions to any plant collection. How do I care for Philodendron Callosum? Here's the good news. Philodendron Callosum is a relatively low-maintenance plant, making it ideal for forgetful plant parents, myself included sometimes. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Philodendron Callosum thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water your Philodendron Callosum when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is ideal. Grouping your Philodendron Callosum with other plants or using a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or a standard potting mix with added perlite or orchid bark will do the trick. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. Propagation. Philodendron Callosum can be propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least one node and plant it in a moist, well-draining medium. Keep the cutting warm and humid until new growth appears. Common Philodendron Callosum problems. Brown leaves. Brown leaves can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or insufficient light. Check your watering routine and adjust as needed. Ensure your Philodendron Callosum receives adequate indirect light. Yellow leaves. Yellowing leaves can indicate nutrient deficiency, particularly a lack of magnesium or nitrogen. A balanced fertilizer application can help rectify this. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are occasional pests of Philodendron Callosum. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap can be used for control. Why are my Philodendron Callosum leaves curling? Curling leaves can be a sign of underwatering, low humidity, or temperature stress. Ensure your Philodendron Callosum receives adequate moisture and increase humidity if necessary. Keep it away from drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Conclusion. Philodendron Callosum, a textural delight. Philodendron Callosum, with its unique texture and easygoing nature, is a true gem for plant enthusiasts. With proper care, this stunning philodendron will reward you with lush, vibrant foliage for years to come. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance houseplant with a touch of personality, Philodendron Callosum might just be your perfect match.